In this week's video, we would like to bring you most asked questions related to coming soon.
Does coming soon listing go to public websites?
No.
Coming soon listings do not go to public websites.
Does coming soon listing require a photo?
Yes, one front exterior photo of the property is required within 1 day of entering the listing.
When coming soon listing becomes active, does the DOM and CDOM reset?
Once changed from coming soon to new/active, DOM and CDOM will be reset.
Can open house or broker tour be held for coming soon listings?
No, open house or broker tour are not allowed for coming soon listings.
Can I create another coming soon listing when the original one expires?
Yes, you can copy and clone the expired listing to create a new one. Coming soon listings are automatically changed to coming soon canceled after 30 days.
If you have any questions, please contact our support team at 925-730-7100 or email us at mlsservices@bayeast.org.